Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. How are you? Welcome to all of you with video number 5. This is English class, item number 3, page number 6 and 7 of book, and page number 5 and 6 of workbook. Video number 5. I am Mrs. Kina Imtiaz. This is the page number 6 of the book. Okay. Item number 3. And in this page we will do about sentences, mean how we can make sentence by using he is and she is. There is concept of he is and she is. Before, in item number 2 you have studied about it is, but now we will do he is and she is. Now look at number 1. First I will read, then I will explain. Listen to me. Look at number 1. Which picture is this? Boy. So how you can say he is a boy? First you will see here, what is this? Boy. Then you can make sentence about this boy. He is a boy. He is a boy. Now he here is pronoun. For this boy we are using here he, and is a helping verb. A boy. He is a boy. He is Umar. Umar is his name. Okay. He is Umar. Now look at number 2. Girl. She is a girl. She is a girl. She is Sarahan. She is Sarahan. Number 3. Man. He is a man. He is a man. He is Mr. Aziz. He is Mr. Aziz. Now number 4. You can see here is a woman. She is a woman. She is a woman. She is Mrs. Aziz. Now number 5. He is Mr. Riaz. He is Mr. Riaz. He is a teacher. He is a teacher. Now number 6. She is Miss Hay. She is Miss Hay. She is a teacher. She is a teacher. Okay. Now number 7. Also item number 3 and concept of he is and she is. Number 1. He is a policeman. He is a policeman. Now look at this picture. Postman. He is a postman. He is a postman. Number 3. He is a bus driver. He is a bus driver. Number 4. He is a farmer. He is a farmer. Okay. Now listen again. First I will speak, then you have to read with me. Okay. Number 1. He is a boy. He is Umar. She is a girl. She is Sarahan. He is a man. He is Mr. Aziz. She is a woman. She is Mrs. Aziz. Number 5. He is Mr. Riaz. He is a teacher. Okay, now number 6. She is Miss Hay. She is a teacher. Now page number 7. Picture number 1. He is a policeman. He is a policeman. He is a postman. He is a postman. Number 3. He is a bus driver. Bus driver. Number 4. He is a farmer. He is a farmer. Okay. Now I will explain use of he is and she is. He we will use for boys and men. Okay, you can see in this picture boy, man, also Mr. Riaz. For these three we will use here he, and he is a pronoun. Okay, and now she is. She we will use for girl, woman, teacher. Okay, female teacher. So look at number 1 picture. He is a boy. He is a pronoun. Is helping verb. A boy mean he is a boy. If here is a girl, then what we will use? She is. But he is a boy, so we will use here he is. Okay, and he is Umar. Umar is his name. He is Umar. Number 2, she is a girl. She is a girl. Mean girl is a female and boy is a male. For all males, we use he, and for females, we use she. She is a girl. She is a helping verb. Sorry, she is a pronoun and is a helping verb. A girl. She is Sarahan. Mean her name is Sarahan. Okay. For girl, for Sarahan, we can use she. Is it clear? And for boy and for Umar, we can use he. Now look at picture number 3. He is a man. He is a man. Mean he is a female. And for this man, we can use he. And now what is his name? He is Mr. Aziz. He is Mr. Aziz. We can say here, he is a man or he is Mr. Aziz. Okay. Now number 4. Also she is a woman. Sorry, she is a female. And we will use she. She is a woman. She is a woman. She is Mrs. Aziz. What is her name? Mrs. Aziz. Now number 5. Also, he is a male and his name is a Mr. Riaz. He is Mr. Riaz. He is Mr. Riaz. He is a teacher. He is a teacher. Teacher is his profession. Mean he is teaching. Like me, I am your teacher, and what you can say? She is a teacher. So he is a teacher, but he is a male, and we can use here he. Number 6. She is Miss Hay. She is Miss Hay. She is a teacher. She is a teacher. Also, she is a teacher and he is a teacher. Both are teachers, but for boys, for gents, for males, we can use he, and for girls, for women, we can use she. Is it clear? Means she is a teacher, he is a teacher. Understand? Now page number 7. Look at this page. He is a policeman. He is a policeman. He is a boy or man. That's why we are using here he. And policeman is profession. Okay. He is a policeman. Now look at number 2. She is a postman. He is a postman. He, because he is a man. That's why we will use here he. He is a postman. Understand? Now in this picture, number 3, he is a bus driver. What he is doing, you can see in this picture, what he is doing, he is driving, driving a bus. So we can say he is a bus driver. And he is a girl or boy, or man or woman, he is a man. That's why we will use here he. He is a bus driver. Understand? Now look at number 4. He is a farmer. He is a farmer. He is a man. That's why we use he. Okay? You can see here these 4 pictures. We will use here he is, he is, he is, he is. Why? Because these all are men. Okay. Now look here. Read aloud. Read aloud. And here we will use in all these words a. Okay. Number 1, apple. What is this? Apple. 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 Number 2, man. 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 Number 3, fan. 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 What is this? Bag. 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 Now what is this? Cat. 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 Hand. 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 Okay, in all these words you can see here a, means sound of a. If a is before the word, then a apple. And here in between two letters you can see here man. 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 Fan. A between these two letters. FAN. Fan. Bag. 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 CAT. Cat. HAND. Hand. Okay. Now all of you, first I will speak, then you have to read. Listen to me carefully. Apple. What is this? Apple. Man. Man. Fan. Bag. Bag. Cat. Cat. Hand. Hand. Okay. Now listen carefully. In this video, I will ask from you. I will show you some pictures, then you have to tell what is this, okay? Now this is the workbook. Page number 5, item number 2. You have studied about item number 2 in your book. So what is this? You can see this picture. What is this? A clock, a doll. Number 3, a blackboard. Number 4, a bus. Number 5, a truck. Number 6, a train. Okay, these pictures are in front of you. You have to see these pictures and then write here, write sentences by using these words. First is done. Look at number 1. It is a clock. You can see here in this picture number 1. What is this? A clock. You will make sentences by using it is. Before all these words, you have to use it is. Number 1, it is. Number 2, it is. Number 3, it is. In all 6 sentences, you have to use it is. Is it clear? Then put these words. Number 2, number 3, number 4, like this. Okay. Now, look at number 1. It is a clock by using number 1 picture. Now in number 2, you can see what is this? A doll. A doll. Now you will make here sentence. How? It is a doll. It is a doll. Is it clear? Now number 3. In this picture, you can see what is this? A blackboard. A blackboard. So you will write here sentence. How? By using it is. It is a blackboard. Okay. Now number 4. What is this? You can see this picture. What is this? Bus. A bus. You will write here number 4. It is a bus. Is it clear? It is a bus. Number 5. What is this? A truck. What is this? A truck. And here number 5 sentence. How you will write? By using it is a truck. Is it clear? Now number 6. Look at number 6 picture. What is this? A train. A train. Now right here, it is a train. Is it clear? And by using it is, then in these blanks you have to put sentences, put these words according to numbers. Number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6. Is it clear? This is your homework. You have to write this page. Page number 5 of workbook. Write sentences. Okay. Now page number 6. Page number 6 of workbook for your practice. You have studied now about he and she. He is a boy, he is a man, like this. Now look at number 1. You can see here a boy, a boy. Number 2, a girl. Number 3, a man. Number 4, a woman. Okay. Now you have to write here sentences by using these words. Number 1, he is. Now look at number 1 picture. What is this? A boy. So you will write here a boy. He is a boy. Is it clear? Now number 2, she. We will use she for girls, for women. Okay. Now look at number 2, a girl. A girl. And put here she is a girl. Is it clear? Now number 3. Number 3. Now look at number 3 picture. A man. Now what we will use for man? He or she, he. Okay. We will use here he is a man. Is it clear? Now number 4. Look at number 4 picture. What is this? Mean girl or boy, man or woman, woman. Okay, a woman. And you have to write here she or he, she, because she is a female. She is a woman. Is it clear? Now listen again these sentences and then you have to do yourself. He is a boy. Number 2, she is a girl. Number 3, he is a man. Number 4, she is a woman. Is it clear? Now look at this picture. I am a. He is a boy or girl? Boy. So what he is saying I am a boy. You will write here boy. Now look at this picture. Girl or boy? Girl. I am a girl. Okay. You will write here I am a girl. Now in this picture you can see boy or girl, he is a boy, but he is pointing that girl. Okay, she is a girl, he is a boy, but this boy, he is pointing that girl. He is talking about that girl. So he is saying, you are a girl. Understand? You are a girl. And this girl, she is pointing that boy. So she is saying, you are a boy. Understand? You will write here, you are a boy. Now listen again these 4 sentences. I am a boy. What will we write here? Boy, for this boy. Now for this girl, I am a girl. Now this boy, he is pointing to that girl. So he is saying, you are a girl. Okay? You are a girl. And she is saying, you are a boy. Understand? Now read aloud. I told you before, I will ask from you. Look at this picture. What is this? Apple. What is this? Apple. Now look at this picture. What is this? Bag. Bag. What is this? Fan. Fan. What is this? Man. Man. What is this? Hand. Hand. Now this is the last picture. What is this? Cat. Cat. Understand? These all words will read aloud. You have to learn. Okay. Now your homework is you have to do page number 5 and 6 of workbook. If you have workbook, then you can do, otherwise write in your notebook. And also memorize read aloud words. Read aloud words. These words you have to learn. Apple, bag, fan, man, cat, hand. Is it clear? This is your homework. You have to learn. Okay? Inshallah, I hope you will do. Okay, take care. See you with next video. Allah Hafiz.